Hello, today's our topic is about NAXAR problem using branch and bound method. In this we'll see how to implement the NAXAR problem using branch and bound method. So in this code first I have given a header files. Header file hash include bit/stdc++.h and using namespace std, and here I have created a function called item, struct item. Inside this I have given a float weight and integer value, and here I have created another function called node. Inside this I have given integer level, profit, bound, and here float weight. And now here I have given a bull cmp. Inside this I have given item a and item b, and here double r1 equal to double value by weight, and here double r2 equal to double of value by weight, and then it will return r1 is greater than r2. Then here I have given integer bound, or inside this I have given a node u and integer n and integer w and item array. And here if weight u dot weight is greater than or equals to w, then it will return a 0. And here integer profit underscore bound equal to u dot profit. Then here it is integer j equals to u dot level plus 1, and int tot weight equal to u dot weight. And here I am using the while loop. Inside this while loop I have given j less than n, and tot weight plus array of j dot weight is less than or equals to w, and tot weight equals to array of j dot weight, and profit underscore bound equals to array of j dot value and j increment. And now here if j is less than n, then the profit underscore bound will be equal to w minus tot weight into array of j dot value by array of j dot weight, and then it will return the profit underscore bound. And here I have given a wide naxar. Inside this I have given int w comma item array and integer n, and here I have stored the array and array plus n and cmp, and here node u comma v, and here I have given u dot level equals to -1, and u dot profit equals to u dot weight equals to 0, and here q dot push of u, and here I have given integer maximum profit equals to 0. Then here I am using a while loop. Inside this while loop I have given not equals to q dot empty, and here it will be u equals to u dot front and q dot pop, and here if u dot level equal to -1, then v dot level equal to 0, and here if u dot level equal to n minus 1, then it will continue. And here v dot level equals to u dot level plus 1, and here v dot weight equals to u dot weight plus array of v dot level dot weight. And here I have given v dot profit equals to u dot profit plus array of v dot level dot value, and here if v dot bound, here v dot weight is less than or equals to weight, and v dot profit is greater than maximum profit, then maximum profit will be equal to v dot profit. And here if v dot bound equal to bound of v, n, and w comma array, then if v dot bound is greater than max profit, then q dot push of v. Then here if v dot weight equal to u dot weight, and here v dot profit equals to u dot profit, and here v dot bound equals to bound of v comma n comma w comma array, then here if v dot bound is greater than max profit, then here it will be q dot push of v. Then here in the cout it will print the maximum possible profit, and inside this main Inside this main, I have given an integer w comma I comma n, and here it will ask to enter the weight of the knapsack, and it will take from the user. Then here it will ask to enter the number of items, and it will take from the user the item of array n. And here I am using the for loop, and here the inside this for loop I equals to 0 and I less than n, and I increment. Then here it will ask to enter the weight of the bag I plus 1, and then it will take from the user of array of I dot weight. And here in this it will ask to enter the value of bag I plus 1, and it will take from the user of array of I dot value. Then the next step w comma array comma n. Now let's run the code. Now here it asks to enter the weight of the knapsack. Then I have given a 16. Then it asks to enter the number of items. Then I have given a 4. Then the weight bag 1 I have given 5. Then the value of bag 1 I have given 25. And here the weight of the bag 2 I have given 3, and value of bag I have given 50. And here the weight of bag 3 I have given 9, and value of bag 3 I have given 40. And here the weight of the bag 4 I have given 2, and value of bag 4 I have given 8, and it has printed the maximum possible profit 98. So the program is executed successfully. Thank you.